So for motorbikes, we can use this one. This I did solder it like this, and this is a normal battery, 12 volts battery. So it's 12 volts, 7.0 ah ampere hour. So this is a normal battery, quite heavy. Aside, so I got this one. So this is a battery like this. I did remove everything that's in there, and I made it fit. So kama mnaviona hii kitu ina fit vizuri sana hapo ndani. Yes, and then this can be glued back. Point of correction, we can get these casings from AliExpress at a cheaper rate, or we can even make them to make it look a bit representable. But either way, I'm just showing you that it fits in well, very good. And if you can check the voltage, don't worry about my probes. My negative probe got spoiled. Sorry. Yes, there you go. As you can see, it's 11.4. It's currently not full, but as you can see, this can be used in many things. Maybe motorbikes, for the ones that use this model. Others understand they use like this, but still you can modify it internally and change and insert the batteries in there. Still in maybe CCTV cameras, access controls, this battery can be of alternative, and it's very effective. So that's one of the options. The second option is you have the UPS. For example, this one, let me show you. This is 850 VA, 650 VA UPS. I did open it, and as you can see, this is their normal battery that they have in there. Keep that aside. It's plugged into power. This is power connector. So right now it's not turning on because there is no battery connected. Let's try this battery I made. So for example, we don't necessarily need the entire casing to fit it in here. We can just fit the cells alone. So this is the positive tab, and this is the negative tab. Yeah, I understand. So it's turning on, but let me make it neat. So now let's solder it. Make a little bit solid connection. That's done. Second one. So now this is my UPS. Let me just close it temporarily and just make it maybe ready. So right now, as you can see, it's on, and let's put it on just a minute. So right now it's on. It's connected to the grid, to the power. I've plugged it out, and it's still on because of that battery. Maybe I can show you a better view. As you can see, it's not plugged in anywhere, and it's still on. So let me plug in like something that will use the 240 volts and see if it will be working. I did plug in my phone to charge. As you can see, it's still on. You can hear the buzzing sound because it's not connected. There's the socket, the charger itself coming to this phone right here, and you can see the indicator there. It's working. Let's shut it down and see. Off. And as you can see, the phone is charging. That means there is power going on to the system, and it's going through that charger to the phone itself. So for the buzzing sound, you understand that it's because there's no power, grid power on the line. So that's one of the ways we can use these batteries for, because the UPS is was naharibika sana, and normally they don't get spoiled. What happens is the battery always gets depleted in a tupo because it can't work anymore. But if you can recycle your UPS na tuweke hii battery, understand it will serve you better than it did, and for a longer time that it did when it was new. So those are the two main things that we can do with the batteries, the 12 volts batteries. The other option is this battery pack. I made it several days ago. Let's see the voltage for the system. I hope you can all see the multimeter. Yes, that's nice. So we can get at least that's out. Let's see. We can get 21.7 volts from this battery pack. Yeah, so it has a lot of current. It's like two of these joined together. So what can we use this for? One, we can try and use it on a pump. I have a 12 VDC volts, that's 12 volts DC pump. Here it is. Yeah, it's a 12 volts DC pump. Normally we connect them with their solar panels and they pump directly, but with the help of our battery we can pump some water with it. Let me do a test for you guys to see. So first, let's weld the cables to the battery right now. There you go. And make sure when operating with the DC voltage you check on the voltage, the polarity. So a quick stripping right here. So don't worry about my welding, not welding, sorry, but soldering skills. I do welding as well, that's why I'm confusing them. So that's fine. Let's cut excess on one side because we will use the other as a switch. So this is our positive. Let's solder the positive right there. So it's super fine. So let's give it a test. I can hear it using. So let me show you right now. So here is my setup: the battery, the pump, and water. So now I'll submerge this in like that. So I'll keep a safer distance. So there is water. You can see it's only powering from the battery pack directly to the pump. So let me show you. So I'll just make this one touch here. It goes at the negative terminal, then itapump huko. So I just want to do it a little bit quick. So and as you can see, many might be wondering maybe nimeweka vitu zangu hapa, but it's like this. I don't know if I can get a better shot like this and get them both. There you go. It's super powerful. Super powerful. The water is depleted. No more pumping. Yeah. So guys, that's it. So most of these things I'll give a link on the description or on bio. Maybe you can click ukitaka BMS or anything, just inquire from me and I can always give you a lead on where to get it. So kindly make sure you follow for more tips.